Welcome to Art by Mary Case Gallery and Studio, located in the historic lumber town of Ludington, Michigan. This big, beautiful blue art gallery is a short walk from downtown and was purchased by me in 2017. With the help of some wonderful local talent, we transformed this old 1893 building into an art gallery and studio. When you first step inside this historic building, you cannot help but admire the beautiful and authentic tin ceiling, a true work of art. This building has worn many hats, but it is most endearingly remembered by the community as the old corner store. Now I invite you to visit what is today a charming art gallery and studio, a true hidden treasure that hosts the fine artwork of myself, artist and owner Mary Case, along with the works of a choice selection of Michigan national and international artists. You will find my original paintings and pottery, as well as many other unique fine art pieces in a variety of 2- and 3-dimensional mediums. I have carefully selected this constant changing and evolving collection to meet the desires of the many art lovers that visit my shop. Visitors will find beautiful main stage art pieces, as well as smaller and more affordably priced items that make great gifts or souvenirs. The shop even hosts impressive cards and prints that are representative of many of the original pieces from the gallery. Adjacent to the gallery is my working studio, where I provide a variety of painting and pottery classes, from summer camps to after-school programs, adult workshops, and self-led sessions. My students have access to a multitude of paints, canvases, brushes, clay, carving tools, and glazes. The studio is equipped with 2 potter's wheels, a slab roller, and 2 kilns, making it an important resource for working with ceramics, including home potters who rent kiln space. And the gallery always offers a fantastic wealth of inspiration to students, as they can find wonderful examples of technique and form in the professional collection just steps from the studio. Classes are held all year round, but when the weather warms up, it's time to move my classes outside and into the garden. This space can accommodate larger groups, and everyone can enjoy creating art in the fresh air. No matter what your interest and skill level, you can learn a new craft or build on an existing talent in one of my many art classes and workshops. Whether you are a local Ludington resident, seasonal resident, or a visitor, you can find a professional and beautiful art piece to fit any need or budget. My gallery and studio is a very special place, and I invite you to stop in sometime. Every visit offers true delight and inspiration. Art by Mary Case Gallery and Studio in Ludington, Michigan, where each visit is truly unique.